Start! Hi guys, we have a Hyundai Accent. There's no start here. Let's start. There's no start. So let's fix the problem. Why this car is no start? And first, let's check the supply of the fuel. And start using this twist light. Check the supply of the fuel. Put the negative. Start. Start. Up. Up. The supply is good. And now let's take the fuel pump. Let's take the fuel using this. Start! Start. So the problem of this car is the fuel. Kalas bay? Kalas. Let's remove the fuel pump. It's located here at the back of the seat. This is here the location of the fuel pump. Ruhi ba?
Silicone.
This is the fuel. Let's check this supply, Let's check first the supply of the fuel pump. These two wire, gray and black. Let's check the supply this before we take out the fuel pump. Just use this light and this connection. Let's put this. Use this. Check the supply of the fuel pump and start the car. Start. Start. Up. The supply is good. Start. Up. And now the supply is good. So there's no problem here. The supply. Let's remove this fuel pump. So let's replace this fuel pump, guys. This is the fuel pump. I need to replace it. This is the fuel pump, guys. Now I need to replace. This is the problem. This, I need to replace this because this is cause of no start on the car. This is the new fuel pump made in Korea. Let's see. So let's install again. Guys, after installing, let's put back to the fuel tank. And let's start the car. Let's start. Good. That's a Hyundai Elantra.